Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shadi Abdu from Point Trader Group. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. So as we can see here, the pair is about to reach a strong support level 1.0993. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence, because if this happens, the pair would go upwards to reach the level of 1.11, and this is going to be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.0993. On the other hand, if this support level is broken to the downside, this means the price might continue going downwards to reach 1.0930, and our final target is going to be 1.09. Let's move to the GBP USD on the H4 time frame. So as you can see here, that we have a symmetrical triangle. So think of it as if we have two trend lines, a downtrend line and an uptrend line that we can see here. So in case that the uptrend line is broken to the downside, this means the price might continue going downwards to reach 1.2850. On the other hand, if the downtrend line is broken to the upside, this means the price might continue going upwards to reach 1.3250. Let's move to the gold on the H4 time frame. It is traded below a strong resistance level 1587. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence for unexpected movement to the downside that might reach the level of 1575, 1570, 1567 as a final target. On the other hand, if the level of 1587 is broken to the upside, this means the price might continue going upwards to reach 1600. Let's move to the American dollar against the Canadian dollar on the daily time frame. It is about to reach a strong resistance level, that is the downtrend line that we can see here. In case the pair continues going upwards to reach this level, then we can wait or expect some movement to the downside. So the pair continues going upwards to reach this level. In case it shows up bearish evidence, this means that the downward scenario is supported in this case. In this case, we can go short targeting the level of 1.30, and this is going to be conditioned by the continuation of trading below this downtrend line. On the other hand, if the downtrend line is broken to the upside, this means the price might continue going upwards to reach the level of 1.33. Let's move to the euro against the Turkish lira on the daily time frame. We discussed this many times before, twice last week, and nothing new actually. I don't see any new evidence on the chart. The pair is still traded below 6.61, and this is actually means the price might continue going downwards to reach 6.80, 6.48, 6.43. Let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame. We will be waiting for the pair to reach this support level 0.6677. So this is where we can look for some bullish evidence for unexpected movement to the upside that might reach this downtrend line for the third time. Finally, with the New Zealand dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame, pretty much the same as the Australian dollar, we will be waiting for the pair to reach this support level 0.6457. So this is where we can look for some bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside that might reach this downtrend line for the third time, and this is going to be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 0.6457. So that's it for the week. Thank you for watching the video and have a wonderful week.